extra safety. Hold it like this when you walk, or just, yeah, you know what I mean. So he's only 4 to 6 months. He's missing toe. He's missing a toe, so it's him. He's really cute. I bathed him about 2 days ago. So he's missing one toe here and there. But I feel like that's pretty cool, if you know what I mean. But he still jumps, he still eats cockroaches. Not cockroaches, grasshoppers and stuff. So you can do stuff like that. He's really nice. I only got him about a week ago. But he's really nice, and I used to be scared of him, like never touched him, so my mum had to help. And then at one time I just picked him up and I did this. So I'm common with him. Oh, and I used to have another bearded dragon. I was only 2, but I used to have it. He was called Spikes. He was really big. He was about like that big or something. Yeah, my mum loved him. So I'll be 1 minute. Now I'm going to show you my dog. First I got a pug. Here. She's a girl. She's a girl. She's really old. She's really old. And I used to have Doofus. He's not dead, but our house was too small, so we couldn't keep him. But I see pictures of him and stuff. So let me just get my tortoise. Okay, hi. So this is my third pet. He's the same age as me, 9. I got him when I was 5, and he has the same birthday, September, because he's in September. That's in my birthday, guys. So I'm not telling you why. I'm not telling you my email stuff, because like you might murder me and my whole family. So this is Flash. He's really fast. Mate, so you know tortoises just go like that. He goes like, I'm not even joking. When he sees feet or stuff, he will go for the loose. He'll be like, so I'll put you down here. And I had 2 hamsters, my sisters. I forgot their names, but I'm pretty sure they had a heart attack because they saw my granddad's dog, Romeo. I think that's it, but thanks for watching, guys. Oh, and comment down below if like we might get some more animals, so comment down below what kind of lizards. We can't get dogs, but comment down below like albino, whatever you call it, lizards, stuff like that. And please subscribe, because I really want to get to like 1 million subscribers or 1 million followers. So yeah, and I will just comment down below what you want to see next, about like a house tour or I don't know. So yeah, guys, bye.